Welcome to data science. So this time we're going to look at dictionaries, which is another data structures in Python. Hi, I'm Vivian. So let's start with a project in our Jupyter notebook. I'm going to create a new one. In dictionaries, how do you define dictionaries? So what are dictionaries? You saw lists are ordered set of items which are mutable. Tuples are mutable ordered list of items. Dictionaries are unordered. So the next question is, how do you actually access them? They're unordered, which means they can be in any location inside the data structure, but they are key value pairs. So you don't need index for that. You'll need the key to get the value of a particular item in there. And it's mutable. You can constantly change it. So let's create a dictionary to see how it actually looks like. I'm going to create a dictionary with key country and the value, say USA. You can create number of states that it has is, let's say, 50. I say what is the capital is, let's say, Washington DC. So this is my dictionary. If I run this, I can see the values. I can say type of D, it says dict, which is a dictionary. Now what if I want to, let's say, get only the keys available inside a particular dictionary? I can say D dot keys. Run it. You get dictionary keys are country, states, and capital. What if I just want to get values? I can say D dot values, and it will give me dictionary values are USA, 50, and DC. What if I want to change or add something? So let's say I want to add a key in here, D of president. As you see, I am not using indexes, I'm using key, and the president is Trump. If I run it and look at D, you'll see a new item added to it. It's added to the end, but it can be anywhere. It can be added anywhere since it's unordered. So it doesn't matter what you do. I can change a particular, I can say, let's say we decide to add one more state. So I can say states is 51. So this will update my states from 50 to 51. So you can update, since it's mutable, you can update, you can add items. If I have another dictionary, let's say population is 300, say population in million, 300, and let's say GDP in billions is, let's say, 20, some random numbers. Now if I look at D2, but what if I want to add both of them together? D and D2, so I can do D dot update D2, and this will give me D with all the existing items, plus it will update it with these two items inside the dictionary. So it added the two items to it. I can pop things out. So if I say, if I want to pop now, it will, since it's unordered, it will, you need to know which key do you want to pop. So let's say I want to pop president, and now when I look at D, it will not have president inside it. So that's how dictionaries work. It's an unordered set of items. You can recognize them by their keys and get the values assigned to them, and it's mutable.